DIY and crafts is always a little more fun for me with a little music. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy peasy bow with Bowdabra. So stay tuned, follow along, and have a little fun. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is measure out about 1.5 feet of Bowdabra bow wire. Give it a snip, fold it in half so that it's like a slip knot. Put it into your Bowdabra machine and tuck it under and out of the way. Then you're going to take your ribbon of choice and feed it through the Bowdabra. Leave about this much for your tail and start twisting and looping. Measure out about the same distance to both sides. Almost like bunny ears. So it's the same distance. And you're going to loop and twist. Loop and give it a twist. Loop, give it a twist. Loop, right here, twist, and feed it through. Now, just about here, you're going to make the loop a little bit shorter to give it a little more dimension. But the same principle, you're going to twist in the middle. Loop a little shorter and twist. Loop a little shorter and twist. Loop a little shorter and twist. You're just about done. You're going to loop a little shorter than all these loops to give it a progression. Again, loop, twist, okay? See how they're progressively shorter? And then a button, this button in the middle. And you're just about out of ribbon. Take the wand, if you want to just glide it in, push it all down, take the slip knot, loop it through, make sure that all the material is down in place. Separate, tighten up, flip it over, tie a knot, and you are all set and ready to start fluffing. Okay, and then you can cut your tails towards the middle for a chevron cut. We're going to snip it away. And that's it. There is your bow. I'll show you what it looks like attached to an item. And this is what it looks like attached to an arrangement. It just enhances completely anything that you attach a bow, an embellishment to, any item. It just takes it to another level. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you liked this tutorial, and for more, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.